Hi, my name is DeJean Dunbar, and my geniuses are problem solving, technology, creativity, and persistence. Professionally, I work at Savannah River Site, which is owned by the Department of Energy, as a software developer and a team lead. I also run my own business called Air Drone Visual Solutions, where I provide aerial photography and videography services. As a Part 107 certified drone operator, I offer various services. Pretty much any outside related event that needs an aerial perspective, I can offer that service. Genius is common. I'm DeJean Dunbar, owner of Air Drone Visual Solutions LLC. With a master's degree in computer science and a Part 107 license, I'm certified to operate drones commercially. My expertise allows me to capture stunning aerial footage that provides a unique perspective you won't get from conventional ground shots. Whether it's breathtaking landscapes, high-quality real estate imagery, or memorable prom shots, I offer a range of drone services tailored to your needs. Imagine capturing your events, properties, or special moments from a bird's eye view, giving them a new dimension of beauty and detail. If you have an upcoming event or project that requires professional aerial photography or videography, I'd be delighted to help. Visit my portfolio at www.airdronevisualsolutions.com to see examples of my work and learn more about how I can elevate your visual content. Thank you, and I look forward to bringing your vision to new heights.